CGT Greenpower 2018 is a project designed to embrace the Greenpower Challenge, to encourage young people to consider sustainable engineering by designing, building and racing electric kit carts. This year CGT have been able to support 2 local schools within Stamford through 7 separate workshops. We've been able to go in and work with their students to design and build their very own kit carts. The significance of the project is really to build on the teachings of the STEM subjects, so in science, technology, engineering and maths, through a practical experience and working with industry professionals to ultimately have fun through a fun and active team initiative.
So for the race day we had 12 students come from Sargent School and 77 from Stamford Junior School. All came over to Stamford Junior for the event. It ran from about 8:30 until 12ish, and first of all we did the time trials, so 1 student at a time going around a race lap. They had 1 trial lap and then 1 real lap, and they kind of competed in their teams to get the fastest overall time. Then after that we had a few drag races, so we did Stamford Junior versus Sargent in a head-to-head against each other knockout round to find the final winner. After that we then had a prize giving ceremony, medals, merchandise, things like that, and some thanks to all of the children for participating. I think they really just got a lot of enjoyment out of it, and it's kind of something that will stick in their memories when they're thinking about what careers they want to go into, so engineering will really come back in their minds for an idea.
As we think about the relationship that we've had with Greenpower over a number of years now, we really think about it in the same way that Greenpower does. It's an interactive scheme that develops the core capabilities in young children that helps them really become interested in science, technology, engineering and maths, in the key STEM subjects, and gives them a fun way of doing this. This is probably the most interactive way that any school child can actually be involved in engineering, and it gives them the excitement that they can really then just use throughout the rest of their careers to inspire them and develop them to take on more and more possibilities and opportunities.